Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to realistically build a 10k a month system using Telegram bot in 2026. Not hype, but structured model you can actually implement. At the end, you will understand what to build, how to monetize, and how to scale step by step. First, the reality check. 10k a month is possible, but not overnight. You'll need a clear niche, a useful bot, traffic, monetization. Telegram bots are just tools. The money comes from value plus distribution. Step 1. Choose a profitable bot idea. Your bot must solve a problem. High performing Telegram bot ideas in 2026 are AI content generator, signal and alert bot like for crypto, deals, jobs, download tools, TikTok, YouTube, etc., educational bots, courses and quizzes, niche community bots. The rule is save time or make money for users. Step 2. Create your Telegram bot. Go to Telegram website or the Telegram app and search for bot father. You can just hit bot father here. Alright, and then just press start or type start, and then type new bot. Alright, choose a name for that bot. Let's say example. Alright, and you're gonna be able to get your bot token. Alright, this token connects your bot to your system. Sorry for the connection, that's why I won't be able to see the final reply. So step 3, build the bot, no code or code. Option 1, you can use no code tools like ManyChat, Chatfuel. These allow you to create flows, add buttons, automate replies. Option 2, code based. You can use Node.js or Python. You can build AI bots, API integrations, automation systems. Step 4, add powerful features. To stand out, your bot must do more than basic replies. Examples, you can use AI responses like Claude, models like Claude, file downloads, notifications, payment access, content delivery. More value, higher retention. Step 5, monetization models, how you make money. This is where most people fail, so pay close attention. You can use a subscription model, like charge $5 to $20 a month. For example, premium signals or tools, affiliate marketing, promote products or services, earn commission per sale. 3, paid access bot, lock content behind payment. Example, premium courses or resources. 4, lead generation, collect emails or leads, sell to businesses. 5, ads or sponsored posts, promote brands inside your bot. Step 6, add payment systems, right? To accept payment, you need the Stripe, crypto payments, Telegram payments. You can automate access after payment, subscription renewals, right? Step 7, drive traffic, right? No traffic, no money. Best traffic sources are TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So show what your bot does, share results, tutorials, and free, quote unquote, free tool hooks. Telegram bots grow fast when content goes viral. Step 8, build a funnel. Don't just send users to your bot. Use a funnel. Content, Telegram bot, value, upsell. Example, TikTok video, free tool, premium upgrade. Like walk them through it. Step 9, automate everything. Your bot should run 24/7. Automate replies, payments, content delivery, user onboarding. Automation means scalability easily. Step 10, scale to 10k or $10,000 a month. Right? Let's break it down. Example, 1,000 users, $10 a month subscription equals 10,000 a month, or 10,000 users, $1 per average profit, same result. So best bot niches for 2026, focus on AI tools, crypto alert, online income tools, education and learning, content creation. These niches monetize best. So avoid these mistakes. Building without demand, no monetization plan, no marketing, right? Weak marketing, overcomplicating the bot, not focusing on user value. So just to rewind one last time, if you're starting from scratch, choose a niche, create a simple bot, add one valuable feature, drive traffic with content, add monetization, and eventually you're gonna scale. So let the chips fall where they may. Making 10K a month with Telegram bots in 2026 is absolutely possible, but only if you treat it like a real business. Focus on solving a real problem, right? Building simple but yet useful bot, driving consistent traffic, monetizing smartly. Do that, and you can build a fully automated income system. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. Until next time, we see you. Peace.